Hey Pretty Birdies! Today we're going to talk about our Undercover concealer. It comes in 8 different shades. This concealer is infused with vitamin E oil to keep your skin moisturized and rejuvenated, while improving the skin's appearance upon application. Our Undercover concealer is perfect for covering any discoloration and dark circles, while also having the ability to contour and highlight. Here I'm going to show you a couple different ways I like to use our concealer. You can apply it using a brush or a beauty sponge, whatever you prefer. I like to use a shade closest to your skin tone, under the eye, where typically you have the most discoloration. Then using 1 to 2 shades lighter to brighten and 2 to 3 shades deeper for contouring to give your skin a natural bronzed look.